It's said that he who finds a wife finds a good thing. Dear Priye, I have found you.
Emeka, I just want you to know that you mean the world to me, and I'm so happy that this day has finally come, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you, to grow old with you, and here's to many fabulous years ahead. I love you deeply.
How can I love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone, all of my doubt.
Trust in God as much as I can, together with you, to make this work until the very end. I love you, and I promise you I'll stay with you forever until death do us part.